All right. So what we're going to do together is we are going to do some multiplication problems. Now, you're probably wondering, wait a minute, Mr. De Ocampo, there's no multiplication sign, so how can this be a multiplication problem? Well, whenever you see a number right next to parentheses, this is multiplication, okay? So this is 5 times 18. This is 9 times 201. This is 4 times 67, and so on, okay? So I want you to remember that this is multiplication, all right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do these multiplication problems, but with a twist, meaning we're gonna use the distributive property to do these multiplication problems, okay? So for example, here we have 5 times 18, okay? One thing we can do is we can take the 18 and split it up into two numbers. Let me tell you what I mean. What we can do is take the 18 and rewrite it as 10 plus 8, okay? 10 plus 8. Now, the distributive property, well, the word distribute means to give. Distribute means to give, okay? So I want you to remember that definition, because what we're going to do is distribute the 5 to the 10 and the 5 to the 8. And it's important that when you practice this on your own that you draw the arrows, okay? Then the next thing you're going to do is you are going to multiply, all right? Basically what we're going to do is we're going to show 5 times 10 and 5 times 8, and we're going to add them together because of this plus sign, okay? So we're going to write 5 times 10 and 5 times 8, and we are going to add those up, all right? Now remember, we multiply before we add, so we are going to multiply these together. 5 times 10 is 50, 5 times 8 is 40, and we get 90 as our answer, okay? And what you're going to do is I will put number 1 somewhere in your assignment, and you're going to make sure that you write this down, okay? You can also, Desmos has a text typing tool, so you can type the numbers if you want instead, but you will have to draw the arrows, okay? So type the numbers if you wish, but draw the arrows. All right, let's do one more together, and I'll have you practice the rest, all right? Let's try the next one. So we have 9 times 201. And wherever you're at, say 9 times 201, okay? Saying it helps you remember it. All right, what two numbers can we split 201 into, okay? What two numbers can we split this into? Well, if we had 200 over here and we had 1 over here, we could do this math easily, okay? So this is why the distributive property is helpful, okay? It can make multiplying a big number into multiplying easier numbers, okay? Meaning that it's easier to multiply 9 times 200 and then multiply 9 times 1, okay? So draw those arrows, because we're distributing the 9 to the 200 and the 9 to the 1. That's distributing, all right? And remember, when we distribute, we are multiplying. So this is 9 times 200, and this is 9 times 1, and we are going to add them up, okay? 9 times 200 is 1,800. 9 times 1 is 9, and add them up, and we get 1,809. I want you to notice that we've been doing this math left to right, but you don't have to do it left to right. You can always do it up to top to bottom, okay? So what I want you to do is, as you do 3, 4, and 5, you are just going to go ahead and continue this, okay? And then you're basically filling in the blanks. and then you're getting to your answer. All right, so go ahead and try number 3, try number 4. Number 5 is interesting because, geez, we're doing subtraction instead. Okay, so this gets you to practice subtraction. All right, now my hint for this one, if you're trying to figure out this number, is what's a round number? What's a number that's close to 999 that you could use here? Okay, like for example, we use tens here, we use 200 over here, we use hundreds over here. Okay, think about a nice easy number that would go here, a number that ends in 0. Okay, and then what would you subtract here to get 999? All right, good luck with this. I hope this video helps. If not, feel free to email me and contact me. All right, take care. Goodbye.